If you try logging in or signing up on Prolific and you're actually finding it difficult, or maybe you signed in and you're not getting more study, I'm going to be touching some parts that can be helpful to you in this video. But before we proceed, guys, if you're coming across the channel for the first time or you are hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joachim. So what we do right on this platform is to make reviews and also leverage online to earn for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. And to my returning subscribers, I say kudos to you for always supporting this channel. Now, without no further ado, let's dive into the business of today. Now, some of us might have heard of Prolific, some of us might have been into Prolific, but it is not like other studies that you tend to have. So right here, you can see quality data from real people for faster breakthrough. Get set up fast our self-serve platform and collect complete data sets in less than 2 hours. Yeah, this particular survey platform is actually an advanced platform. Now, when you come down right here, you can actually see that Prolific makes it easy to access the highest quality data. Now, you can see seamless setup right here, and you can see rapid responses, faster breakthrough, and the likes of the informations you'll be getting right on this platform. Now, how do you set up an account for yourself on this platform? But before we go up setting up an account for yourself, you need to come down right here and see what you tend to get. You can see get paid to share your expertise with fair rewards and frequent incentives. So right here on this platform, your honest opinion is topmost. Okay, you don't actually have to come right here and attend to surveys just like the way you do on other platforms. To set up an account for yourself, come down to this hamburger icon right here. You are going to be seeing find participants and AI taxa, get paid to participate, and sign in. If you already have an account, you're going to be signing in on this particular platform. Now, I really want to explain something to you. Prolific is not just like other platform you can come in and set up an account and just go. Okay, the studies right here are actually high in command. Like, you don't actually have to attend to surveys like other platforms. So what I'll be doing in this video is to show you alternatives that you can actually use to bypass Prolific. If you actually are interested in Prolific, you can go down in this video and comment, and I'll be making a detailed video on how you can go about getting your verified Prolific account. Now, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you an alternative you can use to get surveys just like Prolific. Number one is this particular survey that is called the Testable Minds. Okay, Testable Minds is actually a survey which can actually work seamlessly just like Prolific. So you can see right here, lend your mind to science. So what you just want to do is very simple on this platform. So let's walk through all this particular interface where you can actually see this. Right here, you can actually see verified minds. You are getting $3. You can see right here where it says the study aims to investigate how people memorize faces of other people. It consists of a computer task. So right here, you actually need some systems to access all these survey platforms. Most of these survey platforms, if you're actually running them on your device, you might not have full studies on your account. Now, this particular survey is going to take at least 15 minutes and you are going to be getting all of this. So you can actually see the rewards you are going to be getting on this particular survey. Now, when you come right here, you can actually see where it says lend your mind to science. So the information or the surveys you'll be doing right on this platform are specific to like departments. So when you come right here, you're going to be seeing this. Like this one you're seeing right here is actually social psychology. Now, when you come down where you can actually see social psychology also. So you can see cognition, you can see so many others and you can attend to. You can see cognition right here. Can you see the change in facial expression? So this particular platform is different from other survey platforms. That is why I said I'm going to be showing you a survey platform that is just like Prolific. So right now, when you come down right here, you're going to be seeing how it works. Now, if you want to get started on this platform, you are going to be clicking on get started and you're going to be setting up an account for yourself. But the rest assure that when you want to take this particular survey, you need to be prepared for it, as most times you might not be given access to these surveys. Okay, another survey platforms that seems to be like Prolific is what we call Respondent. Now, this is a research studies where you also come by invitation most times. Okay, so you can see right here where it says paid online surveys. Find paid online surveys and get paid via virtual Visa cards and the likes of it. Now, it is very easy to get started on this platform, but invitation is what you need to get started on this platform. Once you are invited for studies or research, you just have to come in and take these studies. So it is very easy to start up with this, but for you to start getting invitation for surveys is actually the point. So when you come down right here, you can actually see, consider this study if you are leader involved in evaluating, selecting or managing marketing automation platform. So you can see right here that it is high paying survey platform. We all know that, but most times you might not be fit for this survey, and I will advise, if you are this kind of person that really want to take this particular survey serious, what you have to do is to go into a system, use a laptop to access this survey. But if you actually want a detailed video on this, I'm going to be making another video to explain to you how Respondent work. Now when you come right here, you can actually see that you're getting $150 for 20 minutes in applying for these surveys. Now when you come down right here, you're going to be seeing this particular one also is for 15 minutes and it's going to reward with $30. So you can actually see that this is going to last for 5 minutes and you're going to be getting $5. Now, but before you go into all these surveys, you need to know what they actually want from you. Okay, so you can see them right here. We have the recruiting assistants, we have the creators insight study, we have the future of AI in recruiting, we have different surveys right here. So they are actually having a subheading. So the one you feel you're fit for, you are going to click on apply. So once you apply and your request has been granted, you are going to start taking these surveys. As you can see, that there are so many surveys that you can go into on this particular platform. Now all you just need to do is to make sure your profile and every setup you need to do is properly set. So only what you can do right on this platform is to make sure you are set for this study. So if you feel you're set for this study, just go ahead to click on apply, and once invitation is being sent to you, you can go ahead to start taking these surveys. So if you're actually interested in starting Respondent as a particular survey you want to really earn from, it's actually a high paying survey, but the strategy to get this survey is what you need to learn. Now if you're interested in my survey course on Respondent, you can actually reach out to me or drop your comment and I'll be giving you details on how you can reach out to me so you can start Respondent survey as a side hustle, which you can actually see that they are high paying surveys on this platform. So that is what you can actually get from this video as an alternative to Prolific. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. If you have any question regarding everything I said in this video, please feel free to drop them on the comment section and I'll be glad to give response to it. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Keep winning.